Hi everyone, welcome to my video, the ultimate guide to earning affiliate commissions with email marketing. And what you're looking at right now is this is a free tool I created. It's on instantsalesfunnels.com. If you want to supercharge your affiliate marketing with our free email funnel generator, it's an ultimate tool for affiliates looking to save time, boost conversions, and drive sales. This automated system, built with a professional prompt inspired by one of the world's best copywriters, allows you to effortlessly create a fully customized, high-converting email sequence that's tailored to your audience. So if you're an affiliate marketer, I'm going to show you how to use this tool for free and how you can create emails that are going to keep your readers engaged, get them clicking on your affiliate links, and ultimately making you more money. So what you're looking at right now is what you want to do is go to this tool right now, and all these tools you're going to see are going to be directly below in the video description box. Click the links, and everything you see in this video will be directly below. So just click the links and come on over and check these out for yourself. But all you're going to do is go over to step 2. You're going to enter your affiliate program details, click to generate, and watch your output appear below. And I'm going to show you how fast this does it. So what you're going to do, I'm going to use ClickBank as an example. You can use any affiliate program that you could be an Amazon affiliate, Share a Sale, Commission Junction, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. It does not matter. Any affiliate program that you want to promote, just come on over to this free tool, and it's going to create an email for you. And I'm going to show you that in a second, but we're using ClickBank as an example here. We are going to go to the marketplace, and we are going to go over to, we'll do health and fitness because it's a hugely popular category. And we're going to promote, first thing that comes to mind here. So one of the top sellers, Nagano Tonic. Nagano Tonic. Try saying that 10 times in a row fast. And that's one of those tongue twisters. Hit promote. You're going to put your nickname in here, obviously. I'm going to put mine in, which is Orban's Biz. And we're just going to click continue. We're going to generate that affiliate link down here. Click copy. And then we're going to go back over to my free tool over at instantsalesfunnels.com. And we're going to put in the affiliate link right here. We have email goal. You got affiliate link and you got product name and details. The email goal, I'm just going to put in engage the reader and inform and make them take massive action on my link. We'll put link or affiliate link, doesn't matter. Product name and details. It is Nagano Tonic. And we're going to just copy this. Make sure I get it right. I am promoting ClickBank bestseller in the health and fitness category called Please Engage My Reader. Keep it short and simple. So what we got here is I am promoting a ClickBank bestseller in the health and fitness category called Nagano Tonic. Please engage my readers. Super simple. Got my affiliate link in and my email goal. Now all I do is hit submit here. Wait a few seconds, and we're going to see what it comes up with. Here we go. Already done. Subject: unlock the secret to effortless weight loss. A journey awaits. I don't like that subject line. What you can do here, sometimes it comes up with really good subject lines. Other times it's kind of hit and miss. But the email itself is always very, very good. So what you're looking at the top of my blog here is access your free 7-day email funnel and headline generator now. It's going to create headlines for you as well as do a 7-day email sequence similar to this. It's going to speed things up for you. So if you want to access that, just come on over to instantsalesfunnels.com and click on this link and let me know where to send it. But here's the email I created. Hey there, have you ever found yourself staring at the mirror wishing for a transformation? Perhaps you've tried every fad diet, every workout routine, only to feel defeated when the results just don't show up. I get it. I've been there too. What if I told you that the key to your dream body is not just about sweating it out in the gym or starving yourself? What if the answer lies in a little-known tonic that has been changing lives? Let me take you back to the serene mountains of Nagano, Japan. This is where a remarkable discovery was made, a simple yet powerful tonic that has been helping locals maintain their health and vitality for centuries. Imagine sipping on a drink that not only boosts your metabolism, but also melts away stubborn fat, all while giving you the energy to conquer your day. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. Introducing the Nagano Tonic, a ClickBank bestseller that's taking the health and fitness world by storm. This isn't just another supplement, it's a lifestyle shift, packed with natural ingredients sourced from the pristine landscapes of Japan. Nagano Tonic works harmoniously with your body to ignite your metabolism and support your weight loss journey. Picture this. You wake up each morning feeling revitalized, your clothes fitting better, and your confidence soaring. Friends and family start to notice a change, and you can't help but smile at the reflection staring back at you. This is not just a dream, it can be your reality. But here's the catch. This opportunity won't last forever. The demand for Nagano Tonic is skyrocketing, and I don't want you to miss out on this chance to transform your life. Don't wait. Click this link now to discover the magic of Nagano Tonic and start your journey towards a healthier, happier you. Take action. Your future self will thank you. So, excellent emails, and it always comes out great. All you got to do is copy this, go over to your favorite autoresponder, and if you don't have one, this is who I recommend for beginners. For beginners, I recommend them. You could go down here when you use my free tool, check them out. And you can sign up for. There's actually a free plan here you could try out and get these all set up for you, and then you can upgrade down the road if you feel like you're definitely going to need to down the road, but you can start off for free, which is great. And this is really easy to use platform. This is one I recommend for beginners. So we're going to go back here. Let's go back. And so we're going to just copy that. We already got it copied. We're going to go over to add new post. And I'm going to show you how to turn this into a clickable link. So if you're really new to this and email marketing and affiliate marketing in general, I'm just going to show you a quick tip here. Most of you are going to already know what I'm doing here. But for those of you that don't, you're going to copy your affiliate link. This is how you're going to get paid, obviously. When you send these emails out to your subscribers, and they click on your link and they actually buy whatever it is that you're promoting as an affiliate, you'll earn a commission, obviously. And depending on what you're promoting depends how much commission it is. For this particular product, it is $146.38 per sale, so that's not too bad. So we're going to go back over here. And it says, don't wait, click this link. So we're going to put, don't wait, click this link now. We're going to bold that. We're going to go over this little chain link here. Click that. Add our affiliate link. Open a new tab. We're going to click this box. Click this to activate it. And that's it. We're going to get rid of this part. And we're good to go. And you're going to put your name to your health and happiness. Your name goes here, whatever your name is. This is going to be sent out to your email subscribers, obviously. So, in my case, it's Jay. And this email is good to go. That's how quick it is. Put your subject line here. Come over, copy and paste it. And you're going to go on over to your preferred email responder. It could be Aweber, GetResponse, whoever else you could be using. And you're going to set these up as email broadcasts or in a funnel in your email list, which is an autoresponder sequence. So that's that. We're going to go back over to the tool again. We're going to try it one more time. And say we want to do this one's approval required. We'll do Java Burn. Same thing goes in here, your affiliate nickname. Continue. Copy. We're good to go. Super easy, super fast. We're going to refresh this page. And we're going to put our affiliate link in. Email goal, same as the other one. We are promoting a product called Java Burn. Tell my readers all the benefits and keep them engaged and clicking my affiliate link. Put anything you want in here and you're good to go. Done. It's already working. You don't even have to hit the button. Here we go. Waiting for it. It should take a few seconds, and here we go. This subject says unlock a new you with this magical brew. That's not bad. Dear reader's name, have you ever had one of these mornings where you feel like a zombie dragging yourself out of bed only to face a day filled with endless tasks and responsibilities? You're not alone. I was once trapped in that cycle until I discovered a little secret that transformed my mornings and ultimately my life. Enter Java Burn. Picture this: you wake up, the sun is just peeking through your window, and instead of reaching for the usual cup of coffee that leaves you jittery and crashing by noon, you grab a magical packet of Java Burn. You pour it into your favorite brew, and as the rich aroma fills the air, you can't help but smile. See how good this is? It keeps readers engaged. It's telling a story. These are like storytelling emails that aren't doing real hard sells. They're keeping, I'd like to read this if I got this in my email. So they're interesting. They keep you engaged, and ultimately they're getting your readers to click on the affiliate link, which brings them to the sales page, which ultimately makes you money if they buy that particular product or service that you are, particular affiliate product or service that you are promoting. So I don't want to read the whole thing here. You kind of get the point. Excellent emails. It's a free tool. It's going to save you a lot of time, a lot of energy, and potentially make you a lot more money. Come on over here and check this out and add this to your affiliate marketing, toolbox, and use it for some of your affiliate marketing campaigns or all of them. It is free. It doesn't cost you anything, and it comes up with great emails that you can just cut and paste and add to your email autoresponder or broadcast out your email list. And it's like I said, copy them and go over. Let's delete this. Take your affiliate link. Copy it. Let's delete this. And we're going to make this clickable. Add your affiliate link. Bam, you're good to go. That's all there is to it. We're going to go back over to title. And this is just showing you what to do, obviously. You're going to obviously go over to your whatever email list you're using and do this the same exact way. And then make sure you switch reader's name out to reader's name for whatever your email list you're using. And that's it. Enter Java Burn. Make it look a little better. And cheers to your transformation. Put your name at the bottom. You're done. That's your whole email. That's how quick it is. And go over there and copy and paste this, and you're good to go. But yeah, that's that. And then if you want the free 7-day email funnel generator that's going to speed up this whole process, come on over here, and you're going to get a headline generator too. It's going to make your headlines a lot better. Come on over here and let me know where to send it. So this link will be directly below as well. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to start up an email list in 2025. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know below. If you use the tool, let me know how you like it. I'd appreciate that as well. Hit the like on this video if you like the content, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for all future video updates. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.